Good evening, Harita.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, we'll wait for others for a few minutes and we'll start the session.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, students. Students, good evening. Shall we start the session?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So as we discussed yesterday, we'll start the circles. Anyone having any doubts from any topic? It's not about one topic. I'm talking any topic so far. Any doubt? Quadratic equation, mathematical progression. Anyone? Students, please respond. Anyone having any doubts?
No, sir.
Yeah. So just the circles, we can go for a quick revision using the textbook. Just I will go through the textbook copy and with the help of that basic geometry is required. So we know the definition of the circle. It's a locus or collection of all the points which is equidistant from a fixed point. This fixed point is called center and the fixed distance is called radius, and the point anywhere on the circle to the center is always fixed. That fixed is radius. If a line passing through the circle, that is called secant, and if it is passing through center and the line segment between two intersections of the circle is known as diameter, and if it is not passing through center, that is called chord. The longest chord is called diameter. So if it is touching only at one point, that is called tangent, and it is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact, that is called normal. These are the few definitions where we have to keep it in mind for with respect to circles. How many number of tangents can be drawn to a circle? Anyone can explain this point? Number of tangents can be drawn to a circle.
Infinite, sir.
Number of tangents. Yeah. Number of tangents can draw to a circle. One is if the point is inside the circle. That tangent is a line which will touch the circle at one point. The point is inside, I can't draw any tangent, so 0. Second, if the point is on the circle, how many tangents, students? The point is on the circle, you can draw only one tangent. Third point, only 3 cases. If the point either inside the circle or outside the circle or on the circle. If the point is outside the circle, so this is my circle. Point P is outside. This is the center C. Center O or C, it depends. It's your wish, however you want to keep in mind. So this is one tangent, this is one tangent. This angle is called angle between the tangents. Angle subtended at the center is, this is angle subtended at the center. Suppose AB are the contact points. AOB is called angle, ACB is called angle subtended at the center. Or if you measure with O, angle subtended at the center. OA is equal to OB is equal to radius. And PA is equal to PB according to length of the tangent. Those theorems we already discussed. The line joining of point of contact to the point of contact of tangents to the center is always perpendicular. That is called normal. So normal is always passing through the center. These are the key points you have to keep in mind. So is it clear? So for what are the points? Just I'm recapitulating. And how we can say a point is inside or outside or on the circle. Who is going to explain this one? How I can say without drawing, using the mathematics, how I can say a point is inside the circle or outside the circle or on the circle. Anyone? Students, please respond. Anyone? No? Yes? Something, please. Students, please respond. How you can say? It's very simple. Even the same strategy we will use in higher studies. Suppose if you use a circle, I'm taking 3 points. Where O is the center of the circle, I'm taking 3 points. A is one point, B is an point, and C is another point. Join some center to the points. And I'm taking some other point P on the circle. OP is radius. If OA is greater than OP, that is A is outside the circle. That is, if the length from the center to that point is greater than the radius outside the circle. If OB is equal to OP, that is equal to radius, then the B is on the circle. If you know the length from that point to the center, then it will be U. If OC is less than OP, that is C is inside the circle. Hope you are clear what I'm saying. Students, is it clear? Yes or no? Guys, will you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So after this, what other things we have discussed? So this is the longest chord. What is the meaning of chord? The tangents at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius. That's called normal. So this is a theorem. So the radius is always perpendicular to the tangent drawn at that point. Number of tangents from a point on a circle, that also we discussed. From inside no tangents, outside two tangents. On the circle only one tangent. Length of the tangents drawn from outside a point are always equal. Length of the tangent means the distance between the point to contact point is called only the length of the tangent. So in this case, PQ is the length of the one tangent, PR is the length of the tangent drawn from P. So OQ are the radius. So with the help of this, using the right angle, we know from the previous theorem, at Q it is right angle. With the help of this, we can able to calculate the distance from the center to the point, or you can calculate, if you know the distance from P to O, you can calculate the PQ and PR value using the Pythagoras theorem. And we can prove these two triangles are congruent triangles with the help of what? How we can prove? Congruent triangle. This is RHS property. Using RHS property, because hypotenuse, right angle, side. Right angle, hypotenuse, side property can prove both the triangles are congruent. So this angle is equal to this angle. So this angle is also equal to this angle. And sum of these two angles is always 180, because these two angles are 90 plus 90, 180. So all these points you have to keep in mind. Yeah. Shall we go for some numerical, students? Nice. Yes or no? Shall we start some numericals?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Coming from back, 5 marks questions will do. What is asking? A figure PA and PB are two tangents drawn from an external point P to a circle in center O. Prove that OP is the right bisector of line segment AB. That means, is it clear what is the question says? You have to prove AB is perpendicular to OP, or OP is perpendicular bisector. The meaning of perpendicular bisector means it is OP is perpendicular to AB, and as well as AB is divided into two equal parts. Suppose the point of intersection of AB is dividing into two pieces. So both the pieces are same length. It is exactly dividing into midpoint. That's what he is asking to prove. So I'm giving a few minutes time. Please try to solve this question. If not, I will explain. Please. Suppose if this is C. It is meeting at the C. You have to prove BC is perpendicular to AB, and as well as BC is equal to CB. These two things. So we can use, so length of the tangent drawn from a point is equal, right angle concept, everything you can prove, whatever thing you want. I'm giving a clue. The construction is join P to O and B to O. Join P to O and B to O. You know this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees, because the radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. So with the help of these concepts, we know already PA is equal to PB, length of the tangents drawn from a single point is same. OA is equal to OB, radius, and OP is the common side, that is hypotenuse. So using the right angle triangle property, you can prove some two triangles are congruent to each other. So based on that, how we can proceed to say CP is perpendicular, or OP is perpendicular to AB, and AC must be equal to CB. Is my question is clear for everyone? Is it clear, students? Chita, Amrita, and Harita?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yeah, please try and let me know whether you are getting or not. I will discuss my solution. Yes, I'm giving a few minutes time to solve. Instead of RHS, we can prove in a SSS criteria also. We can prove that. I will explain in solution when I'm explaining.
So can I have any like thing in?
Sorry.
பழம் ஆப்பிள் ஆரஞ்சு
Okay.
grapes ஏதாவது
Yeah. Yeah, so first we are going to start after taking the construction. First we are going to, this is a 5 marks question, explain a little bit detail. Might be 5 marks questions is not there, but if it comes, join O to A, O to B, that is center to the point of contact of the tangents. So from triangle PAO and PBO, I can say OP is equal to OP, common side, and OA is equal to OB, radius. And next, what is one more line? PA is equal to PB, tangent drawn from a point. Length of the tangents are tangents drawn from a point. Tangents drawn from a point. So from here I can say triangle PAO is congruent with triangle PBO. Which criteria I have to write, Harita? S criteria. So what is the need of this? From here I can make corresponding angles are same. So I'm making corresponding angles. What angles? I'm taking, this is angle 1, this is angle 2. I can say from this, some from CP to CT, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Again, you take the triangles. These two triangles I am taking now. This is PAC and this is PCB. So from these two triangles, what I'm trying to say is angle 1 is equal to angle 2 proved in the above situation. AP is equal to BP, common tangents, so the tangents drawn from here, this point. Tangents drawn from point. Next, One more is required to prove it is congruent. What is one more? I'm taking PC is equal to PC common side. PC is equal to PC common side. So from here, I can say triangle APC is congruent with triangle BPC. So from CPCT, what I can say from CPCT, which rule here? Here it is SAS rule, side angle side. This is side, this angle, this side. So side, angle side. So from CPCT, I can say AC is equal to BC. So whether it is perpendicular or not, AC is equal to BC means PC is bisecting AB, which just proved only bisecting. We have to prove perpendicular bisecting. Perpendicular bisecting means what? We have to prove angle. Yeah, we know from CPCT angle ACP is equal to angle BCP. Angle ACP plus angle BCP is equal to 180 degrees. So both are same. If I'm taking both are same, 2 times angle ACP is equal to 180 degrees. So angle ACP is equal to 90 degrees, which is equal to angle BCP. So a line is dividing a line into two equal parts at 90 degrees means OP is right bisector of AP. Right bisector of AB, and it is bisecting at C. Not required. This point is not required. This is how we have to prove. So always keep it in mind how to prove. So concept of congruent triangles and everything. You see 2-3 questions included in this. That's the reason it carried 5 marks. Is it clear, students? How I prove? You want to make a note, or I can move to the next question?
Sir, noted, sir.
Yeah, I'm moving to the next question, please. Yeah, I'm not going to give any clue. Straight away, within 4 minutes, exactly by 6 o'clock, I will solve this question. Please try meanwhile. Try yourself. Got the answer, Harita? Anyone? Akshita, Amrita.
So we should use Pythagoras theorem, right?
Yeah, that is only Pythagoras theorem, ratios in proportions, concept of tangents. Everything should use because he's asking the perimeter. At Pythagoras theorem and ratios in proportions is enough to solve this question.
Sir, I've got OQ is equal to 15 centimeter and PQ is equal to 20 centimeter and OP is equal to 20 centimeter.
15, how much you got?
15, 20 and 25, sir.
Correct. OQ by PQ. So this is OQ and PQ is the length of the tangent, which is in the ratio of 3 by 4. If I'm taking, that means 4 times OQ is equal to 3 times PQ. Or if I'm taking a common ratio, this will be 3x, this will be 4x. Agree? So from the Pythagoras theorem, OP can be written as 3x whole square plus 4x whole square. It will be equal to how much? OP square is equal to 9x square plus 16x square. So from here OP is equal to root of 25x square, it is 5x. So I got this is a 5x, where x is a common ratio. They gave the perimeter is 60 centimeter, that is 5x plus 3x plus 4x is 60. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4 is 12x is equal to 60. X is equal to 5 centimeter. So once I got x is equal to 5 centimeter, straight away I can apply OP is equal to 5x, that is 25 centimeter. OQ is equal to 3x, that is 15 centimeter. And PQ is equal to 4x, that is 20 centimeter. Hope you are clear how I got these values. Everyone, is it clear? Students, please. Yeah, I'm going to place the next question. Solve this question. This is a point T, might be it is missing here. Intersection point of both the tangents are T. This is the point T. Is asking length of the tangent, they are asking us to calculate. They give the chord length and we give the radius. I hope it is easy. You have to try. Yeah, this question we already proved in the previous question. OT is right bisector of PQ at R. That is PR is equal to RQ. So first find out the PR value. How we can find out? They gave the length of the chord is 16 centimeter. So PQ is equal to 16 centimeter. If it is bisecting, PR is equal to RQ is equal to 8 centimeter. And OP is the radius which is equal to OQ, that is 10 centimeter. So these are the data I'm having. With the help of that, we can able to calculate the OR. So we don't want, we will calculate OR later, but we need the TP value. He's asking the length of the tangents. We know OT square is equal to, if I am applying the right angle triangle Pythagoras theorem for OPT or OTP, OT square is equal to TP square plus OP square. That is TP square, we don't know. OT square also I don't know. So from here, OT square is equal to TP, I have to calculate, and OP is 10 square. This is my first equation. Same as if I am applying TR square. TR square can be written as TP square minus 8 square. That means TR square is equal to TP square minus 64. This is my second equation. So how we can do from here? So if I'm taking this one, we know this is 10 and this is 8. Automatically, the value of OR is ORP. OR is root of 10 square minus 8 square, which is root 36. It is 6. So OT can be written as 6 plus TR. 6 plus TR. So from here, from the equation 1, 6 plus TR whole square is equal to TP square plus 100. Is it clear, students, what I'm writing? So from here, 36 plus TR square plus 12 TR is equal to TP square plus 100. We know TR square is equal to how much? TP square minus 64. So 36 plus TP square minus 64 plus 12 TR is equal to TP square plus 100. So from here I can cancel the TP square on both sides. So finally I'm getting 12 times TR is equal to 100 plus 64 minus 36. So 12 TR is equal to 128. 36 gone means it is 28. Correct. That is 2, 4, 28. So TR is equal to 128 by 12. It's not exactly, we'll go for 32 times, 4, 3 times. So it is giving a value of 32 by 3 centimeter. So once I got the TR value, then it will be easy to calculate TP value. We know from the second equation, TR square is equal to TP square minus 64. TR is nothing but 6 plus, sorry, OT square. This is not this one. We know OT square is equal to TP square plus 100. OT is nothing but 6 plus TR, that is nothing but 6 plus 32 by, oh, I got TR square. Sorry, math. Yes. Pretty sorry. You can use the second equation or first equation, anything you can use. I'm using the second equation from second. TR square is 32 by 3 whole square is equal to TP square, which I have to calculate, minus 64. From here, TP square is equal to 32 square by 9 divided plus 64. What is the final answer you are getting? Please let me know, students. After all deductions, what is the answer you are getting? After all deductions and simplifications, what is the final answer? Harita, anything you got? Is it clear question? So just applying the right angle Pythagoras theorem wisely. Is it clear? Any confusion? Amrita, Harita, Akshita, please.
Sir, after calculating, I'm getting 177.77 approximate.
Fraction. In fraction, how much it is? Is it 1600 by 9? What this answer is right answer, please. Anyone having any doubt, please let me know, students. Yes, students, done means I will go to the next question, please. Done?
Yes, sir.
So we will move a little bit different questions. Anyway, this worksheet will be shared by Institute to you people. Any worksheet shared so far? Harita?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir, I did not receive any.
Assignments, nothing. Okay. No assignments also?
No, sir, I don't know, sir. Like, I'll check it now, sir.
Yeah, no, later you can check it. Try to solve this question, please. Try to solve this question. Here also same way. OM is bisecting PQ. That is PM is equal to MQ is equal to 8 centimeter. OP is equal to OQ is equal to 10 centimeter, which is called radius. From here, OM, I can calculate OM is equal to square root of 10 square minus 8 square, which is nothing but root 36 is 6 centimeter. Angle TPM. TPM plus angle PTM is 90 degrees. Why this is 90 degrees is this is 90, this is 90. So if I'm taking a triangle, it's an equilateral TPM and PTM. So in a right angle triangle, other than right angle, rest of the two angles are always complementary to each other. From here, TMP, TPM, PTM, same as TMP is equal to angle OMQ is equal to 90 degrees because if it is perpendicular bisector. So from here, I can say triangle TMP and MT is equal to MT common side. So it's very clearly we can say these two triangles are congruent to each other by AA criteria. This angle, AA criteria. From CPCT, or if I'm applying the corresponding ratios of the side TP by PO is equal to MP by MO. From here I can write TP by PO is 10 centimeter, MP is 8 centimeter, MO is 6 centimeter. From here 2 3 times, 2 5 times. So the answer is 40 by 3 centimeter. So the length of the tangent is 40 by 3 centimeter. Little bit scope. Length of the tangent, how to calculate in different situation. Is it clear, students? If you're okay, we'll go to the next question, please.
Yes, sir.
Case-based questions, once we share the worksheets, we can do it in next classes. 35th question is a theorem. Going for 34th question, it's a direct question from the textbook. Just you have to prove radius is always perpendicular to tangent drawn at any point on the circle. Yeah, a figure given below, find the length of the tangent PQ drawn from a point P to a circle with center O, and given that OP is given and OQ is given. It's a little bit straight question. By seeing the question itself, we can say what is the answer for PQ, Harita? Sorry. We know PQ is perpendicular to OQ because radius is perpendicular to tangent from the theorem. From here, OQ square plus PQ square is equal to OP square. OQ square is 25, PQ square is, we don't know, that is the length of the tangents, and OP square is 144. So PQ square is equal to 144 minus 25. What is the answer? 119. PQ square. So PQ is equal to root 119. Yes or no? Please let me know the answer.
Yes, yes, sir.
Simple. Next question. They didn't give in the. Sorry. Yeah. How to solve the question number 33? I will paste the question. Meanwhile, into the 33 and let me know how to solve the question number 33. Yeah, this is a question. Please try to solve this question. We know very clearly tangents drawn from a point to a circle is equal. So PL is equal to PN, QL is equal to QM, and RN is equal to RN. Like that, you can start and you can do. He's asking what is the length of PQ is given, QR is given, PR is given. Then he's asking QM, each individual tangent's length he's asking. It will be easy, basic algebra, and length of the tangent drawn from a point is equal. That only point will be useful to solve this question from the circles. Rest is algebra. So I'm giving the clue. We know PQ is equal to 10 centimeter, QR is equal to 8 centimeter, and PR is equal to 12 centimeter. And assume PL is equal to X, automatically PN is equal to X. QL is equal to Y, QM is equal to Y. This is Z. Then you can solve. PL is equal to PN, length of the tangents drawn from a point is equal, which is equal to X centimeter. QL is equal to QM is equal to Y. And Rn is equal to Rm is equal to Z. PQ is nothing but PL plus LQ is 10. That means X plus Y is equal to 10. Like that, you can bring the relation between all the things and you can able to solve. Same as QR. QR is equal to 8. What is the QR value? QM plus MR is equal to 8. That means Y plus Z is equal to 8. Y plus Z is equal to 8. This is my second equation. This is my first equation. From here, PR is nothing but PN plus NR, which is equal to 12. That is X plus Z is equal to 12. This is my third equation. Perimeter, that is 2x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 10 plus 8 plus 12. So X plus Y plus Z is equal to 15, because 10 plus 8 plus 12 is 30, 30 by 2 is 15. So I got X plus Y plus Z value, I got X plus Y value. So hope you know how to solve this question. I need answers, please. Almost I done. using the 4 equations. Substitute any one equation in the fourth equation, you will get the first value. So with respect to first value, you can solve the rest of the two values. Easiest question, but only the trick is little tricky. Answers. I am substituting x plus y value in the fourth equation. What I will get, Harita?
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
If I am substituting x plus y value here, what I will get? What value I will get first? We know.
Sir, we'll get z is equal to 5, sir.
Super. So this is 15. X plus y is 10 from here. So 10 plus z is equal to 15. From here, x plus, sorry, z is equal to 15 minus 10, that is 5 centimeter. So z is equal to 5 centimeter. Next, once I got the z, it is easy to calculate. Y plus z is equal to 8. So y is equal to 8 minus 5, 3 centimeter. So x plus y is equal to 10. So x plus 3 is equal to 10. So x is equal to 7 centimeter. So from here, what is the x represents? X represents PL and PM. What is the y represents? QM and QL. And what is the Z represents? RM, RMR and NR. RN. So you want QM, RN, PL. So RN is there, QM is there, PL is there. So that is how we can solve this question, but you can make it in order. I want to put on a single screen, that's the reason I wrote like this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I will request Raghav sir or any institute people to share all these worksheets, and you just go through the worksheets by this weekend. If I'm trying to plan, is it okay Saturday or Sunday we will have a class for constructions in physical space? Is it possible to come?
Yes, sir.
So either me or Raghav sir will teach. There are only 2 topics from the constructions. What are the 2 things? One is tangent drawn from a point to a circle. Another one is how to bisect the line into given ratio or into equal parts. These 2 things only there. So other than that, drawing the triangle, drawing the congruent triangle, all are deleted. Only splitting a line into given ratio or given number of parts, and how to draw a tangent from a given point. These 2 things only there. So we can finish it off very easily. We can practice some more questions. You will get a message if the class was there. 99% I will try to plan a class either by me or either by Raghav sir. Okay. Is it clear? Shall I end up the session?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Bye everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.